Good day, class. So welcome to MIL. So I'm going to discuss to you right now text, information, and multimedia. So we're going to start with text information. Text information, as a definition, now let us define what is text. Text is a simple and flexible format of presenting information or conveying ideas, whether handwritten, printed, or displayed on screen. Now, if you're going to ask me what is text, this is so far different with the alphabet that we know. The text that I am saying to you right now deals with the spoken words, graphics, written, pictures, sounds, or the moving images. Now let us proceed with the parts of the text. Part of the text or text includes title, which helps you to identify the overall topic and to understand the main idea. It also includes the headings. Headings helps you to identify specific topics and divide the text into sections. You can also change your text with its font style, whether it is in bold, print, or italic. This helps you to highlight an important statement in your text. Also, another part of the text is the illustration. It has something to do with the visual of your text. Also, the caption, which helps your reader, your viewer, to understand because it explains the illustration. Now let us proceed with what are the advantages of printed text. Printed materials are available in different variety of topics. It is adjustable to many purposes, easily transported with or without the usage of machines. It is cheap to produce and purchase, meaning to say it has availability, flexibility, portability, user-friendly, and most probably economical. Okay. Now let us proceed with what are the disadvantages of printed text. The drawback of text as a knowledge building and communication tool is that it lacks the inherent expressiveness of speech, meaning to say it's dull. Why? Because, for example, a transcript may accurately record the spoken words, but the strategic and emotive qualities and impact of speech are diminished on the page, which makes it dull because the emotions are not there in the written text. Now, let us proceed with text as visual. Is a visual text. A visual text is a text that we can view from the context clue-bit. But we can say the words and images that work together to create a meaningful patterns, symbols, ideas, and messages for the reader is what we call the visual text. Now let us proceed to the design principles and elements. These are the principles and elements of designing. Design principles and elements are emphasis, appropriateness, proximity, alignment, organization, repetition, and contrast. So now let us start first with emphasis. Emphasis refers to the importance or value given to a part of the text-based content. In order for you to create an emphasis in your text, you can do the following. Make the text bold, italize, have a heavier weight, darken or lighten or enlarge a particular part of the text. That makes your text having an emphasis. Okay, now let us proceed to appropriateness. When we say how appropriateness, it refers to how fitting or suitable the text is used for a specific audience, purpose, or event. Now let us proceed to the next design principle, which is proximity. This refers to how near or how far the text elements from each other. Now let's proceed to the next principle, which is alignment. This refers to how the text is positioned in the page. You can position the text either in left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and into a justified alignment. Okay, now let us proceed to the next principle. Organization. This has something to do with your conscious effort to organize the different text elements in a page. It ensures that while some text elements are separated from each other, they are still somehow connected with the rest of the elements in the page. Organization deals with how you arrange the design of your text. So now let us proceed to the next principle, which is repetition. Repetition deals about the consistency of the elements being used in the design. It is the unity of your entire design. It reflects the unity. It also is the repeating of some typefaces within a certain page. Your repetition can be same font size, same font style, same spacing, same alignment. In simple words, repetition deals with your consistency within the design. Next principle is contrast. Contrast creates visual interest. There are two elements, or these are two elements that are different from each other. Contrast can be with the font. You can use large font than with small font. Okay? You can use cool color and warm color. Or you can use white text on a dark background, or vice versa. So again, those are the principles and elements of designs. Thank you very much for